Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are doing wonderful, doing great on this day and doing your thing. I wanted to make a video today. This is gonna be my last video Devlog for this game. This game is already released on iOS and Android. Yeah, I'm actually just wanted to make a video and show you guys what's different since the last time I showed this Devlog and see what's up. I forgot what number this is. It's 4 or 5 already, but yeah, it was fun making this game, especially using Unity's dot system, the data oriented technology stack. It was something new that I've never touched or haven't touched for a long time, and they've updated it pretty greatly since the last time I touched it, so technically it's kind of new, you know. But yeah, so I made this cool space shooter, retro space shooter, where it's kind of like a shoot 'em up kind of game, where it's pretty cool. It's super simple though, so don't expect something amazing coming out of this game. It was my first game that I wanted to release out there, and just wanted to see how it was gonna. Let's see what's tasting the waters out there, But yeah, there's still so much more that I want to do, but I don't want to go too deep into it unless there's people that actually want to keep playing it and they want new stuff, if there's a good traction and people actually playing it, maybe I'll continue it. But this is just a simple where you just press play and you just start shooting and see how long you last. It's basically like a survival mini game, basically, I guess you could say, and see how long you can last in here. I think I went all the way to like level 50. But yeah, there was other modes that I want to add, like, hey, can you reach a level 100, or have another game mode where you keep playing it until you can't anymore, until you die, and some other ones that I had in mind. But it's gonna make it super simple, and this, a lot of people start liking it, and I can continue it. But I just want to continue to the next thing. But yeah, so let me show you what you guys what's different since the last time I showed you this to you guys. And as you can see, it's the background different now than the last time. This one's a lot better than the one I had before, and you can see also there's planets coming down, parallaxing down a little bit. So let's play a little bit, shall we? There's still some like UI updates I never got to finish. I couldn't, like, I'm not like a UI person, so I try my best to try to do myself or find something out there, but maybe something in the future that I can add. But this game is completely free for you guys to play, so you don't have to pay for anything. It does have ads in it, but it's not mandatory. I'm not making you guys watch the ads at all, but it will definitely help me out in the future as well if it's something that you guys will be okay with. But it's not mandatory. At the beginning of the title screen, there's gonna be like an ad banner at the bottom, and then if you die, you can watch a video to continue where you left off, just without any upgrades or anything. You will start off where you'll keep the score without resetting, and you will just start at the same wave that you started at. But it's not necessary, I'm not forcing you guys to do that. So, but yeah, that's basically the only other things I've added here. There's still one more. I added a leaderboard in here as well that keeps track of the your highest score that you have done. I can show you that in a little bit. I just want to see if there's anything else that I wanted to show you guys in here. But yeah, it was fun making this game. There's still a lot of things that I've learned from this. Like I said, I never touched Unity dots before, even if it was for a long time, since it changed a lot since the last time. There was still some things that I've learned that I would like to do next time. But hey, I was able to do this cool, awesome thing, and it's for mobile, and it's running pretty good, for stuff like I have Bloom in here. I have all this like projectiles, all of this stuff, and their like their tries are pretty high as well for a mobile game, and it's still running it's still running pretty great, even with all the birdie season. And and all that. Still pretty high. But yeah, and it's pretty cool. You can see the planets coming down. They're all random, different planets that come down. Hey, this looks like a regular chocolate Earth down here. But yeah, and that's basically about it. I'll show you about the leaderboard in a bit. But and also bosses. Last time I think I tried to show you guys that the boss never came in. So hopefully I get to that area. I think it looks like I'm gonna be getting there. It's a level 10. Let's see if I can get there real quick. One more guy. Out of here. Okay, so the boss comes in right now. There he goes. And he starts shooting at random bullets. He can shoot anything that the other guys can shoot, plus 2 other ones, which is the spiral and the circular one. And this game is all about you dodging all the bullets, so I just want to show you guys the different attack patterns that this guy has. It's very random, so there you go. This is the spiral, and you just start just dodging all of this, you know. I want to see the circular one. Show me the circular one. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the circular one, right? Da, 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 da. Chin, 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 chin. Oh, I guess I'm not gonna show you guys that circular one then. But that's about it, guys. There's nothing crazy about here. I'll post the links to the description to the App Store. So if you have an iOS, then the Apple Store link will be down in the description. Or you're on Android, then the Google Play link will be down in the description as well. And I hope you guys do enjoy it. It was fun making this game. I learned a lot from making this, and something that I'll keep in mind for future games. That if I need to use dots, or I want to keep learning more about it, then there's some things that I like to keep I like the things that I learned. I like to use it next time. So that's about it, guys. Make this video short and sweet. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the leaderboard, did I? Hold on. Well, I guess I can show you here. But if you were to go here and then you played a little bit, let me get 1 score here, and then you died, it will then show you like, hey, you can submit your own score. So you have to type in here your username or whatever, and then press submit. And then and if you go to scores, it then show you off all of this. This is the dev leaderboard, so this is just me testing all the different types of making sure it's working right. So this is the dev one, but the live one is not gonna be showing all of this, right? It's gonna be showing you guys the score. But yeah, and then it has an all-time. You can have like this week or today. This was done a long time ago, so it's definitely not today, which is great. That means it's working. Or this week, this was done like a couple weeks ago, so you don't see it, which is great, you know. So cool. And this is a blue background, but you also can go to this other background. But if I can, it random. So every time you start the game, it plays at random. And there's this red one too, where I didn't like that one too much, so I didn't use it. But there's this one here. This is actually pretty cool. I actually do enjoy this one a lot more than the blue one. Like the contrast and the colors all like look pretty good in this background. But yeah, that's about it. I will. So this is the last video for this series. I will continue to. I'll keep a lookout for this game and see if there's people that want me to continue forward and want me to keep adding more to it. Like I said, I have a couple game modes that I had in mind and all that, but I want to continue to the next thing, you know. I don't want to put too much dedication on this game if it's not like putting food on the table, you know. So I want to continue to the next thing. I don't know exactly what I want to work on next, but it's definitely going to be in the Unreal Engine. So that's something that I would like to use. I would like to use that game engine for that. I don't know the specific game that I want to use. I have one in mind, but I am unsure if I want to do that or not until I see if I can find some game assets first, because I need to find something to make it look good at least. But yeah, so in the next video that you guys see me will be in Unreal, and definitely Unity won't be the last time. This won't be the last time I use Unity or using Unity's dot system. So, and as always, if there's something that you guys want me to go more in depth into, like Unity dots or something in the future, feel free to post in the comments. And if there's a lot of people that are very interested in it, I will go more in depth and show you guys what I've learned and how I made this game using a Unity dot system, and how and be able to go through it, like the steps and the code and all that, and see. And I hope you guys can learn from this experiences as well, like I have. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Oh, another thing, I know in the last video I was gonna name it Cosmic Blitz, but I changed it to Astral Blitz, which is something that I needed to change it to, because someone had already taken Cosmic Blitz in the Apple Store. And trust me, I've looked it up on Google App Store. I did not find anybody or find any game or app out there called Cosmic Blitz. So that's why I decided to choose that. But when I was trying to create the actual app in the developer Apple portal section, dashboard, I guess you can call it, right? It didn't let me, and told me that this app was already created, or with this name. And trust me, I looked it up and I didn't find anything. And I did read somewhere that's just people out there that can create an app but never actually release anything, so it's probably hidden in their dashboard and never deleted, and that's why I was not able to see it. And there's a name out there called Cosmic Blitz that's either it's probably going to release soon or never it's going to get released. I don't know, but they took my name and I really enjoyed that name, so it is what it is. But Astral Blitz is actually not a bad name, so it is, you know, I actually enjoy it. That's just pretty another fitting name for this. But yeah, and I got nothing else for you guys today. This will be it. Last video, the last Devlog for this. And I know I still have my own game engine series that I still need to continue and see what the next game will be, but it's still other things that I need to do to improve, because I'm also job searching, right? And it's very difficult right now because there's a lot of competition, and I don't know if you guys have heard about all these layoffs, and that makes it a little harder for me to find jobs right now. So right now I'm just job searching, and I need things to make myself look good in the resume. So that's why I did this Unity game dot system, and my next one I'm planning to use Unity engine. There's a lot of people out there that ask for Unity engine, so that's something that I would like to add to my resume and be able to show off something about it. So yeah, so that's why I'm doing the series. This is why I kind of moved away a little bit from my C++ game engine, but I'm not putting it away. I'm still gonna come back to it once I find a job. I'll get back to it. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now, guys. I hope you guys are doing great though. I'm doing wonderful. I know it's getting hot where I'm at, and hopefully it's not as hot where you guys are at. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys would like this kind of stuff, Devlogs and all that, please subscribe. I'm not forcing you guys, you know, feel free not to subscribe. I'm cool with that too. But it does help me out a lot and see what people are interested in, and feel free to put in the comments if there's something that you want me to dive into. I'm also up for it, and if there's a lot of people that are really interested into that, then I'll definitely get into that, you know. But yeah, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Signing out.